Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is George here, and I have 100 HP, and this guy's gotta beat me up. That's what you get for trying to steal my channel. Take this, that, and that. Okay, now fire blow. Dead. Sorry guys, can't let me take my channel. So I'm gonna be showing you how to create a minigun guy. Okay, so you have to go over here, and then use the back glitch, which you have to see the link in bio, or if you've already seen my other video, you don't have to go to the link in bio, but I recommend you do if you haven't. But you have Gun Killer, which I showed off in the link in bio, the other video that I created. Do the glitch again, and then walk back over to your chamber, and then once you're at your chamber, get a new subject, hold him, inject the Gun Killer into him. We won't beat him up, but we always have a chance of beating him up. Run over here, and then I'm gonna cut all of this out. So, I'm gonna grab 10 of these. You could too, depends how fast you want it. So, bye-bye. Once you've done that, guys, you can see that. And also, I forgot to say, this channel is not... What was it? Hold on, let me check. Just kidding. I know it's George. And also, I forgot to say, my channel is Minecraft. And I'm going to be picking up special weapons to beat up the guy we just created. And watch these battling tactics. 3, 2, 1. Fight. Oh, I died. Did you see how much health went into the negatives? Wow. That was negative. Just something funny. Just grabbing my weapons again. Oh, by the way, this is all a voiceover because I forgot to turn on my audio. So, this may not be the actual sound, but I'm saying in this clip, oh, he was trying to get me because he thought he was invisible looking out the door. I'm gonna place C4 on him, run around, and kablooey goes! Bye. Grab the shotgun, bang, bang, bang. Grab the full. Oh, why didn't that work? And why did I shoot off his head? Hold on, pause. I'm confused about that still after creating this. And I'm talking about, like, running over here, and also remember to go to the link in bio. Why do I keep saying bio? Description, link in description, and that'll lead you to the baseball bat video so you can learn how to clip their walls with it. Right now I'm just running around just like da 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 do do da. You know, it's pretty nice. Oh yeah, and I'm trying to aggravate a monster, and I'm trying to get like somebody to get out a monster, and I'm trying to tell somebody to like, oh, bring out their monster. And now I'm just trying to kill somebody's monster. Hello. No, not me. I forgot I said that. Okay. Oh, I'm in there. Time to die, subject. Oh! And he's about to hit recycle subject. Nah, I'm too fast. You can't get me. You can't get me. And I'm out of here. Yeah, and I'm kind of just trying to stop this dude. Stop it. Stop. Stop. Okay. I'll take that. Okay. Here's my chamber. And I'm just like telling you, oh, how to beat any monster because I'm trying to get out of monster. You run into your chamber, go inside of the glass cage, and then if it's an NPC, it'll still be chasing you. But if it's a person, they'll realize, and you have to walk into them to make sure that you die. And then once you die, come back to your chamber and hit recycle subject. Or explode a subject because, your new subject, because obviously it'll blow off their limbs and eventually kill them. So either you can recycle them or blow off their limbs using the new subject and an exploding button. Yeah! So, this whole voiceover thing, pretty nice. Oh, and I'm saying, oh, let me just... I'm gonna cut to when I find a monster to bring into my chamber. I'm like, oh, here's one. But he's just chasing me. I can't do that, so I'm just shooting him. Just bang bang. Smooth sailing and now he's dead. Adios. Okay, I'm gonna cut all this out, so bye-bye. Okay, we're back again with a dude with fire abilities and punching with a baseball bat, and I'm just like, what the... why? And I also said, welcome back. Well, I didn't have enough time. And then I just said, time to die, because I realized he chases people. So you know what that means? He'll chase me into my chamber. Or at least that's what I thought. And so sorry, I'm just like, oh, I can't remember what I was saying here. Oh. And then I dodge him, run into my chamber, run here, and then I realized he didn't run in. I don't think he really was chasing me. He kind of just... I think I killed him with that juke. I think I juked him out so hard that he literally exploded. And he said goodbye. This was the final sound he made before he died. Poor soul. And now I'm just waiting. Waiting room. I'm waiting. I am waiting. And I'm just like, can't remember what I'm saying. Oh yeah, I'm like, he does this here. Dumb monster. Oh wait, no, it's in my chamber. Oh, I nearly dodged him. Look at him. Look at him. I let him in, and then I walk into my chamber. Oh, now he's trying to clip out of the chamber with the baseball bat glitch, but little does he know, the chamber is the hardest thing to clip out of in the game. It's just like, no, don't do it. And basically, he survives. But I explode a little thing. And I'm just like, what are you saying, dude? Just say it. It doesn't have to be in static. What are you doing? I have health. Like, dude, I'm literally exploding subjects, and if you get too close to them, you dead. Watch this new subject. And he just dies. Don't know why. Probably reset his character. Okay, so basically, I have health. Become whatever you became, and I want you to fight my subject. And I'm just like, oh, find my subject. It's gonna be a plain old subject. And nothing really special. Zero things special about him. I don't know why I said this, but this is honestly a pretty dumb idea. Like, what? Well, I'm sad that my voice was the only thing cut out of this, because now I have to re-say everything, and it's just like, let me take a breath. It's just like, why? Oh, Hey, does anybody realize that, like, your stupidity that you record equals money if you have, like, a YouTube account and it's doing, like, decent? Like, do something really stupid and you get paid for it. Like, oh, I broke a watermelon on my big toe 1,000 times. And done. $1 million. Just kidding. It's like just like 20 or like 100. Yeah. Something like that. And it's just, actually, it could be more than that. I don't know. I'm not really in that stage of being a YouTuber where you get, like, money. I'm in that stage where you get a rewarding feeling. It's really good being a YouTuber. Honestly, it's basically if you do well enough making jokes or making people have fun, then you get money. Like, I just like it. You should check out the channel Joyful Pearl. She's actually gonna make cooking videos soon, and she does a little pearl selling business. It's honestly pretty cool. She's gonna start cooking videos. It isn't like she actually started it, though. Actually, I don't know if she has just, like, started it. You gotta check her out, though. And it's me just saying Robio stuff, like, Robio. Oh, and it's just like, okay, you can shut up now, you idiot. And it's just like, okay, well, That dude is powerful, though. He put me into the negatives. Big negatives. Let's run. Huh? What? I'm telling him, oh, fight me. Fight me. Fight my subject, not me. Don't fight me. Fight my subject. You can't beat him. Yeah, he's too good for you. He's better. He's good. Like, he's the best subject. No, you didn't hear the rules say you gotta beat my subject. You gotta win against my subject. No ties, no nothing. You gotta do this. You gotta fight my subject. Like, hear his bones crackle like this. You gotta beat him. Okay? Beat him down. Beat him. Come on. Yeah, he beat him. He literally defeated him. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to wrap up this video. Future Wade speaking still. I'm gonna have to wrap up this video. And I'm gonna have to go. So, you guys have a great day. Today, I'm gonna grab one last thing. Bye-bye.